Hello my friends, welcome to the channel. For today I have this project. This is the brake disc project. In a previous video I made this brake disc, this one. And for today I have the cap brake disc, this inside part here. This is the cap, this is the project for today. And I made the drawing to be easier to design this project. Remember, you can download this ebook in the first link of the description. It's free, or if you can choose to purchase to help the channel. Let's start. Create a new design project here. Select the first plane. Start with a horizontal line. This line needs to be the midpoint of this line constrained to the center point, and change to center line. Start this project with a vertical diagonal and a vertical line. This internal diameter is 71 millimeters. Here, this point with this line, 71. This first corner here is 130 millimeters. Dimension and line 130 millimeters. The next will be 155 millimeters. 155 millimeters. And the last will be the diameter of the whole project, 200 millimeters. And the angle of this is 30 millimeters. Here. Start some lines here. And close here. These lines are parallel. And this thickness is 7 millimeters. These are 6.5 millimeters. These are 6 millimeters. All that can be constrained here on the vertical, and the sketch is closed. Finish the sketch, select the remove tool, remove as full, and create a new body. Now we can start this first face here. C for circle with 12 millimeters diameter. A constraint of vertical, another circle here, and change this circle to construction, and this diameter 100 millimeters. Here, 100 millimeters. Extrude this material, remove the material, and apply a chamfer of 5 millimeters. Select this circular pattern, the features, and select the extrude. Hold the Ctrl, click on the chamfer, select the central axis, and change for 5. Now, continue the project. We need to select this other face. The same process. This is 6.5 millimeters diameter. Constraint on the vertical. Another circle here as a construction. This will be a diameter of 172 millimeters. 172 millimeters here. Make another circle with a radius of 12.5 millimeters and a radius of 30 millimeters. This can be a diameter of 35 millimeters. And we can repeat that circle. Select the center point 12 times here, and the arc make this tangent and a radius of 30 millimeters. Now we can repeat that arcus, select the center 12 times and click OK. Here in the Create tab, select the project, this outer edge, and click OK. Now we have this profile to select. Finish the sketch. E for X2, select this profile as -3 millimeters and remove the material. Open the sketch, select this sketch, E for X2, remove the material, hide this sketch, and a chamfer of 0.5 millimeters. The same process that we did before. Select the extrude, hold the Ctrl and click in the chamfer. Select the X and 12 times. Now we have all this chamfer. For that edge we have a chamfer of 0.5 and 1 millimeter. A chamfer of 0.5 here and a chamfer of 1 millimeter here, and another chamfer with 2 millimeters here inside. You can add here some colors for this project. Remember, you can download here in the first link of the description my ebook with all my drawings here on the channel that you can follow and learn a little bit more about the software. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.